Amy Hunt here, home business expert. This video is going to talk about launching an Amazon product and the service that I'm using and giving you the results. I'm 1 month in. Check out the rest of the video to see what is going on with my product 1 month in using Pageoneify. Okay, so just a little recap. Pageoneify is a service that takes your new product and will launch it from way back in the depths in the black hole of Amazon products up to page 1. So that's their primary goal. So I'm going to just show you my account and log in to my seller account on Amazon and show you where my sales and stuff are at this point. So I'm going to also throw up a picture of a screenshot of my phone to give you some better metrics of what it looks like, but you can see the numbers. Some people like to look at the numbers statistically. You can see, but this doesn't tell you what I really want to talk to you about. So I'm going to throw up on the screen my phone screenshots. All right, so let me analyze what has gone on in this Pageoneify launch. So they taught me how to create what's called a campaign. And I can give you a link in my description on Pageoneify, and they can help you get this started if you don't mind using your link. All right, so was I excited that after a year of having my product on Amazon and not getting, well, hardly getting any sales, I was starting to get sales, and that's just from running a campaign. Okay, so in other words, what does that mean? A campaign? That means I put an ad up, I pay some money to get it, advertised a little bit. Now, once that starts, then they say there's a promotion phase. So in other words, and I don't know how they do this, this is why you pay for their service. They go into a promotion phase, which is right here. Sorry about my spelling. I don't know why I did that, but anyway. In this phase, they run it from 5 to 7 days, and you decide and you work with them. It bumps your product for keywords. Okay, so we decide on keywords to use based on their recommendation, and it's on keywords that they use, their software that they have. And we decide and agree on what to do. And basically, I give away products based on keyword searches that the people that they have do searches for, and they purchase my item for a very small price, maybe $1 or $2. So what that does is, number one, it costs me money, and so that's why you will see after this, the cost. But what that does is shows Amazon the importance of your keywords that you're identifying as important to your product. So when it comes to later, and people are searching for it organically, your product launches and arrives at the first page. Now, once that promotion ended, like I was selling not only their promotion products, which would have been around 5 times 14, whatever that number would be, about $65, $75. I was selling above that. So I had all these here were probably organic, non-promotion products just because people were going there. Then the promotion ended, and it came down to I wasn't selling much at all. I left it at $13.99. I had the campaign going for a little bit, but then I quit the campaign. Okay, I didn't have the sponsored ad. I was getting a little frustrated. I was like, why isn't this working in my mind? So then I decided to look up some key things because their job is to do this here, the promotion, and to get it ranked. Okay, so then it's my job afterwards to take it over and continue it. So what I learned was to continue the campaign. I turned the campaign back on right here in this section here. I'll outline it in yellow because I think it's critical that you know this. I'll double outline it, is I turned the campaign back on and I added a coupon. So I'm doubling up. And what I did, and what they suggest, was drop it to as low as you can, that it's not an add-on. And then what I did was I actually increased the price but dropped it with a coupon, because it's like the mental, social, psychological aspect of having a coupon for your cart. So when I upped the price and I added a coupon, which essentially is about the same as the $8.99, I started getting sales. I was like, all right. So what the ideal thing would be for me at this point is to get up to about 10 sales per day. and it's starting, you know, it's going back and forth, but I'm curious to see what it's going to be. And then I probably will keep the coupon on there, but just continue to increase the price once I get to about 10 sales a day, if I get to 10 sales a day. So continue to watch the rest of this to see some other statistics. Subscribe to my channel for more like this. And I also have a new software coming out that I'm going to introduce, a new software series. So check that out too, called Helium 10. If you want to know how to make a coupon on Amazon, check in my link below in my description for a link for a video that talks about Amazon coupons. So with that being said, what I wanted to show you here under orders is what I've learned in the last few days is that putting a coupon into your product is really a good, I guess, productive way to sell and increase your sales. So you can see here I went from like selling nothing, and then when I implemented that coupon, that I started getting sales through FBA. So if you click up here, you can see seller fulfilled and FBA orders. So if I click on FBA orders, that's Amazon, the products I've shipped to Amazon. You can see that in the last 5 days, my sales have increased. So now there's a balancing act that goes between how much I charge versus how much the coupon is versus how much, you know, profit I'm going to make. So as you can see that my profit is not huge. I'm going to go up here to advertising and click on my campaign manager, which Pageoneify helped me start, and learn a little bit about that. But what you can see here is when I started off, the average cost of sale, ACOS, was way higher than the sales I was making. And now this graph has switched. Okay, and that's what you want to see. So you can see my spend total up front with the campaign was high. So this is advertising cost, my spend total. You can pause the video and look at that if you want. And then the sales that I've made and the ACOS. The ACOS was like over 100% when I started. So you can see that this all, you know, is starting to work out based on what Pageoneify did. Now, what I want to do is show you my product. If I go, I'm going to go to an incognito page, which basically stops the tracking of me. So a lot of times, you know, stuff autofills because it already tracks everything that you've done with cookies and such. And it's a water sensor alarm. Please don't go on here and click on my sponsored ad. That's all I ask, because it costs me like $2 each time somebody does it. So it's not tracking water leak sensor. You can see those keywords that I didn't target. It wasn't showing up as the first product. So these 3 keywords, which Pageoneify helped me figure out how to target and how to win these keywords. And look in the link below if you have your own product and you want to, you know, increase your sales. I can hook you up with Pageoneify. I get a little commission for the referral. That's it. So SPHINX battery operated. All right, so here's my product. You can see I have that coupon there. And it's number 1. I mean, Pageoneify just like banged it up from the bottom up to the top. So if you click on that, which please don't, because again, it costs me money, it will take you to my product and add it right to your cart. So if you continue to scroll down, you'll see other products. If I hadn't done a sponsored link or a sponsored product, my product would be down here, which page 1 bumped it from like way back to like, I don't know, it was like originally it was like page 15, but now it's showing up organically after Pageoneify's launch on page 2, organically, no sponsor. So if I didn't do an ad, it would be on page 2, and then with the ad, it's on page 1. So you can see if you click on this one, it's not going to cost anything for me. People come here and they click on this. Now, what happens sometimes? See, it didn't track me, so it doesn't have my password. What happens sometimes is people will add to cart and they forget to click on the coupon or don't even know to use that coupon click. And then I'll get the full price. So just a little bit on where my product stands and how Pageoneify has gotten me there, and just the whole scene behind how to launch your product and the time that it's taking and that sort of thing. This is I'm completely transparent. I'm not coming out and saying I'm making $5,000 a week, a month, but hopefully I'll get there and you can watch the process. I also have a product analysis system and a new software that I'm really excited to see and use. Maybe you can walk along and learn with me, but I'm going to start a new series on it. It's called Helium 10. If you want to look in the link below, I'll get that that series out as I learn. I'm going to pop out some videos here. Basically, Helium 10 is taking products, or if you have the interest in learning about a product and want to sell on Amazon. As we all know, Amazon is like huge sales. Like it's hard to compete online with Amazon. And if you're one of those people that says, why can't I do that? Then you need to look in the link below. You need to follow my series on Helium 10, like helium from a balloon, and 10 out of 10, Helium 10. Follow my link, get my link, and look at my playlist on Helium 10 and watch that series, and we're going to learn together, and maybe we'll make some money together. So hi, if you liked what you saw in this video and want to see more of my videos or even get notifications, make sure you click on the notification bell that's down below. If you want to subscribe to my channel, you can click on this button. If you want to see what the next video is, I'm not too good at this, check out this little link right here and I'll show you what the next video is that's good for you or that I've just uploaded. Again, Amy Hunt, home business expert, and thanks for watching. Package consultation on the phone or computer. Pause the video, see what you want, then go to PayPal and pay me at the address listed on the computer screen. Once you've done that, email to tell me what you've gotten. Thanks for watching. Home business expert Amy Hunt. If you want to follow me on media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube, you can subscribe to any of these channels on the computer screen.